guys. We are Saturday morning out on the farm, and actually we're heading over to the neighbor's place. I've got a little project going on. We got some trees that we cut down a couple weeks ago and hauled over there, and he's got a sawmill, so we're going to cut them into beams and boards and whatever else we get out of them. But first, we got to thank our sponsor of this video. We don't have a sponsor, do we? Okay, turns out we don't have a sponsor for this video. So, Heather and I are sponsoring this video. So, hope you enjoy. But first, let's go back a couple weeks. Here's some footage of us cutting the trees into length and hauling them over to the mill. So, enjoy. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel. We're over at Mom and Dad's farm today, and we've got a bit of an awesome project going on. You can see behind us we have a bunch of trees that we cut down, and we've got a buddy with a sawmill. So you might have noticed some of the other videos. We got an old shed that we're going to convert into a barn, and I figured we got these old trees. We're going to take them to the sawmill and make some timbers out of them, and kind of make a timber frame on the inside of them. So today we're working on getting them de-limbed and cut in length so we can manage them, take them over to the sawmill, and then we're going to mill them down to the kind of boards we need to do, and so we can make kind of rustic and kind of neat, and then we can show you the process of milling lumber and building the inside of the barn. So yeah, figure this should be a fun video, and yeah, we'll get to cutting. So, and it's pretty straight, like you should be able to do a beam right out of the middle of it, eh?
Yeah. 24 right to here. What do you need? 14?
Well, I need a bunch of 14s and 8s. So you could do a 14 and 10s. Want to introduce yourself there, Glenn?
Huh?
Want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Glenn.
Hey, Glenn.
One end.
One end, Glenn. That's a heck of a saw. Check out that. Let's upload. Booyah! Good job, bud. Let's cut some links out of this thing. We need 14 footers and 8 footers for the main beam, and then the posts on the inside. Good old John Deere. It's the best forestry equipment around, eh?
Oh, yeah.
John Deere loader tractor with a grapple.
Oh, yeah.
Look out, Sky, there.
Measure it?
Well, he figured it was like 24 feet down to like here or something. Hey, where was that 24-foot mark? Down here somewhere?
Yep.
Like if we cut a 14 and a 10 out of it?
Yeah. But it kind of takes off about here.
Yeah.
Well, let's do a 25-footer. Okay.
You want to cut a 25-foot and we'll just load it as one piece and cut it up later.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's the easiest way of doing it.
Yeah. Well, how long can he cut? 16 and a half.
Hey, Maxie. What's going on, bud?
But that's a.
Trying to think of how much our trash
tractor can lift.
You might want to cut them down to 14 right away.
Better to do 14. You want 13 and a half?
Yeah, like 13, and then the inside of, and then it's going to go inside a 2x4 wall, or 13 and a third plus the inside, plus it like a few inches.
So even if we went 14 and a half.
Yeah, I think that's lots.
14 and a half?
Yeah. Go 9. Look at that, eh? I'm always got it in the dirt, just wrecking the chain, eh? Well, there's the first part of the job done. Let's have a look at these logs we got. We cut some into 9-footers and some into 14-footers, and we can cut them down. We need like 8s and 13s for the posts and the beam, and they're looking good. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 total. I think they're gonna work real great. Look at that, eh? Just a beauty log. So we'll get them strapped down, and then we'll haul them over to the mill, and then we'll get some more video of it, making them into posts and beams for us. So yeah, thanks for hanging out on this project, and we'll get you some more footage of the build, and take you for a tour of the old barn before we start building, and you guys can see, and maybe we can get some ideas from you guys on what we can do to finish it off on the inside and make it a functional barn. All right, well, thanks for hanging out, guys. Catch you later.